Hi lovely people, how are you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful time, and on today's video we are doing a huge grocery shopping haul. Without further ado, let's get started. Hi lovely people, how are you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful time and you are having a great time enjoying festivities with your family and loved ones. So on today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are doing a huge grocery shopping haul, and this is basically Christmas or around New Year shopping of some of the basic things that I have been able to purchase. So let's get started. Christmas season, New Year is around festivities, as there's always a little bit of more eating than usual, and especially in our Kenyan tradition we get to enjoy more rice, which we make in form of pilau, which is a delicacy, and then we also get to make more chapatis. We chinja the mbuzi, which is slaughtering mutton, cows, and we get to enjoy with our family. So let's dive into my grocery shopping and see what I got this time. So starting up from this direction, these are crackers, tiny biscuit here. These are my son's pick for his entertainment. I have Maggie cubes here, 1 pack. I have Aquaguard. I have Royco mchuzi mix, original beef flavor, Zesta strawberry jam, some English muffins from Mill Bakers. I got some Weetabix here. These wheat artist bix are my favorites. On this side still I have this Kericho Gold pure Kenyan tea. I have a bottle of water here. I have Ovaltine. I have Ovaltine nutritious malted drink. I have cinnamon ground spice. I have Milo. I have Mama's own spaghetti. I got on this side, so I have Blue Band, I have Prestige margarine, I have 3 liters Avena, 2 liters Avena, and 3 liters fresh fry. I have also green gram polished for supplementing my proteins as well. I have 5 kg of Pearl Kenyan Pishori rice. Of course there is salt to go with that, 2 kg salt. I also got these because there's a baby around, baby winning porridge, so I bought these 2 packs of that. I also got these Rani Chef Special Basmati rice. I also got these Dawat long grain rice. I also got Maisha home baking flour. I got 6 kgs of that. I got Ajab 6 kg of that for chapatis, and I also got eggs and more Ajab, 3 packs of that season. Baking flour. It can make mandazis, can bake chapatis and all that. On this side I also got Sugar, I got 2 kg of Cabra's sugar and 1 Dinwas curry. So those are 6 kgs. I also got toothpaste, Colgate toothpaste. I got Vaseline, goes with the territory. I also got this Jama cream bar soap. I got 2 kgs of that. I have Vim all purpose cleaner. I also got these Fields of Africa raspberry hand wash soap. I got Sunlight 2-in-1 fresh of petals, 2 kg. I got Harpic active cleaning gel for the toilet. Moving on this side, I got serviettes 220 2 packs, and then this one of 110. I also got some paper towels from Velvet's Premium, and then I got Celine luxury toilet rolls, and then I also added in on these toilets 12 rolls. And that's my grocery shopping haul. Those are some of my dry goods buys from the supermarket on my grocery shopping, and these are the dry goods. The frozen goods, the bread are not a part of this grocery shopping haul, and maybe I should just do another grocery shopping haul showing you what I buy and how I keep it in my fridge and freezer to use it for longer. Remember to always love each other, work hard, and always have good intentions. Happy 2021, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.